Curly hair routines do not have to be overly complicated. This is my tried and true curly hair routine. We're not brush styling, we're not finger coiling, we're just using our hands to style. I'm using all of my favorite Holy Grail curly hair products. This is perfect for you if you don't mind the hair to be a little bit messy. There's going to be a little bit of frizz, but a ton of volume and still definition. This is my favorite curly hair routine. I'm going to show you exactly how I get my curls to look like this. I prefer to start on soaking wet hair. This is just a personal preference. Some people do like to style on damp hair, but I find I get much less frizz when my hair is soaking wet, and my products just apply so much better. So I just take a continuous like spray bottle and just make sure that my hair is like actually dripping wet, and then we are ready to apply our styling products. The first step is leave-in conditioner. I actually use this much for each half of my hair. I just use a really small amount because my hair does not need a lot of product, and I prefer to use a lot of gel. And I just use this with raking hands and then praying hands to make sure that everything is evenly applied. Make sure to also get your hands up under your scalp areas so it's not sitting flat, and it allows for movement in the hair. Fenty Home Curl Cream. This is one of my favorite curl creams of all time, and that's because it is a gel cream hybrid. It is moisturizing, but it's also going to provide a good amount of definition as well. A little bit of this product goes a long way. You do not need a lot. So I start with a really small amount of product, making sure that my hands are evenly coated, and then I'm just going to apply from root to tip and just working it into the hair, making sure that it is evenly applied. I do think I need just a little bit more, so I'm just going to take that much and do the same thing from root to tip. If you use too much, it will flake in the hair, so just a heads up on that. But you can use it alone as well if you don't need that much hold. I would say it gives like a light to medium hold, and also gives a lot of moisture as well. Now, I'm not like brush styling, but I am taking a brush to make sure that the product is completely coated in the hair and I didn't miss any hair strands. Just helps the product move through the hair more evenly. If you feel like your hair is dried a little bit, this is a great time to re-wet your hair. I'm just using a continuous spray bottle and just making sure that my hair stays soaking wet through this entire process. Now I'm going in with my favorite product of all time, the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Stronger Hold Gel. I'm going to use a lot of this and I'm going to apply it upside down. So I'm going to move first, like get my hands up underneath my hair and just make sure like none of it is sticking on my scalp. And I'm just gonna get my hands under and flip my hair upside down. And just rake your hands through, that way you don't have any weird patches like sticking onto your scalp. That we're flipped upside down, we're gonna take a lot of this gel and kind of work in like imaginary sections. I like to split my hair in like quarters, and I'm just going to use raking hands and praying hands to apply this. We're gonna scrunch the hair until the hair stops dripping. I like to make my hands into like little claws and then pulse at the top. Once I'm happy with that, I'm gonna roll my hair to the side and look at how pretty those curl clumps are looking. And now we're ready to diffuse. This to me is non-negotiable. My hair turns out so much better when I diffuse it versus air drying. And I like to start on this like with my hair pushed over onto one side and then the other side, and then I'm gonna flip upside down and start cupping the curls, and I'm just gonna repeat that process over and over again until my hair is completely dry. It takes about a half hour, sometimes 45 minutes. I like to diffuse on high air, medium heat. Let me know if you want a full in-depth tutorial on how I like to diffuse my hair, different diffuser types. I would love to film that. My hair is completely dry, but it's quite crunchy from the Stronghold gel that I used. And this is my favorite part of every curly hair routine because you just really get to see the results. You can scrunch out the crunch with your hands. You can use an oil. Today I'm going to use the Kerastase 8-Hour Magic Night Serum. I love the shine this gives and it smells really good. And I'm just going to fluff and scrunch out that gel cast. And these are the final results. I just love this routine. It just eats every single time. Don't forget to comment your questions below and like and subscribe for more curly hair stuff.